In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first ClickBank affiliate commissions using Pinterest. You're going to learn how to get free traffic from Pinterest as fast as possible. You'll also discover the best affiliate product to sell on Pinterest. And I'll show you exactly how to pick the right keywords so your pins actually get seen. We'll use a tool called Nano Banana to instantly create tons of highly engaging pins. Then we'll use another tool to generate hundreds of SEO optimized blogs in minutes, just like the one you're seeing right now. The goal is to create 10 to 15 pins a day on Pinterest. As you can see, it literally says to post between 4 and 10 pins per day for maximum engagement. But the most crucial factor is consistency. Consistency is the key with Pinterest. So like this video, and if you want to learn how beginners are making $1,000 a day with ClickBank, comment 1,000 and I'll send you a free guide, the exact guide that helped make over 5 figures with affiliate marketing. So let's get started. The first step is to head over to ClickBank and go to the marketplace. You'll see tons of offers here. For this example, I'm going with Mitalin, which is a weight loss offer. Just open the affiliate page, enter your affiliate ID, and click Access. That's going to generate your affiliate link. Copy it, open it in a new tab, and take a quick look at the sales page. As you can see, it's a video sales letter, which is the highest converting type of sales page. Next, let's go to trends.pinterest.com. And this is where we are going to find keywords that are trending right now. This helps you choose a niche that actually has demand. Make sure the location is set to United States. This will show you the most relevant trending keywords. Now go to the Filter tab, click on Interests, and select Health. After that, go to the Keywords section and type in Keto. Pinterest will instantly pull up all the popular keywords related to keto. Keto is a huge diet trend, especially for weight loss. Now, you can see there are keywords for keto. And for this example, I'm going to go with this keyword called keto dessert, because as you can see, it has 20% growth. So what I've done is search this keyword on Pinterest, and right away, you can see all these pins. If you take a look at this pin, you'll see in just 10 days, this pin has got 43,460 saves, which is insane. Now I use a tool called Sort Pin, which is a free Chrome extension. If you want the link, go to the description and try Sort Pin for free. Right, so next I'm gonna open this pin, and as you can see it says, Keto No Bake Chocolate Peanut Butter Cookies. All right, now the next step is to create a similar pin. For that, I'm gonna copy this headline and description and come over to ChatGPT and paste it here. And I'll write something like, this is the headline and description of a Pinterest pin. I want you to get inspired by it and give me a similar one. And this will start creating the description. And as you can see, it has gave us 5 similar versions of headline and descriptions. So what I'm gonna do is copy this description and head over to Nano Banana. Click on this Create Image button and paste it here. Next, I'm gonna download this image and upload the image here. Next, I'm gonna tell it to give me a similar Pinterest pin with a different font and colors. And boom, as you can see, it has gave a similar pin with a different colors and fonts. So I'm gonna download it. All right, the next step is to go to Pinterest. And what you're gonna do is go to Business Hub and select Create Pin. Then you're gonna upload the pin. Next, this is where you are going to write a title and description. So I'm gonna copy the title from ChatGPT that I created and paste it here. Super simple. Copy the description as well and paste it here. And this is where you are going to add your blog article. Now don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to create multiple high-quality SEO optimized blogs in minutes. So click the second link, the description, and you are going to land here to a tool called SEO Writing AI. SEOwriting.ai is one of the best tools for creating SEO optimized articles in minutes. Make sure to create your account. And this is what you're going to see once you log in. Here you'll see 2 options. The first one is one-click blog post, and the second one is bulk article generation. So let's go to bulk article generation. And this is what you'll see. This is your keyword section, where you enter a keyword and it will automatically generate the title and the blog for you. Since our pin is about keto no bake cookies, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me a similar keyword related to it. So as you can see, it has given us tons of related keywords. What I'm gonna do is copy some of these keywords and paste them right here. Just for the record, you can paste as many keywords as you like, 50, 100, etc. And this will create up to 100 or more articles in minutes. Next, hit Generate Title. This is going to turn those keywords into SEO-friendly titles. Next, click Generate NLP, and it's going to create NLP keywords that will be included inside your blog. Then click Generate Outline, and this will create a full outline based on your keywords. After that, scroll down. For language, leave it as English, US. For article, leave it on none. And keep all the other settings as default. Just make sure United States is selected in the country/region. Next, scroll down and come to the Media Hub section. Go to AI images and select yes. For the number of images, I'm gonna select 4. For image style, I'm going with photo. For YouTube video, select yes if you want videos included in your blog. Next, scroll to the structure section and leave everything as default. Then go to connect to web and select yes. And again, leave everything at the default settings. Now scroll down, and this is where you're going to add your website. If you don't have WordPress, that's totally fine. I'll show you a free way. Finally, scroll all the way back up and hit run. This will start generating the blogs, and it usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And as you can see, the blogs are ready. Let's preview it and see how it looks. And boom, the image looks sick. The headline is perfect. Scroll down and you can see the key takeaways, the table, everything. I mean, is your mind blown? Because mine was the first time I saw it. Now the main question is, how do you make money? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Head over to Blogger and create your account. And this is what you're going to see. Click New Post, and this is where you'll add your title. So I'm going to copy the title and paste it right here. Now what you're going to do is copy the entire content and paste it right here as well. As you can see, the whole article has been added, including the images. Now, select everything and change the font to Arial. This is what you're going to do next. You're going to write a call to action. To get an idea, let's head over to ClickBank. This is our product, so I'm going to grab my affiliate link, enter my affiliate ID, and hit access. Then I'll copy the link and open it. And as you can see, the headline says, Purple Peel Exploit Vaporizes Fat Cells. This headline is curiosity driven. So I'm going to go back to Blogger and write that here. Highlight this part. Click on this little icon and paste your affiliate link right there. Now copy this call to action and paste it multiple times throughout the post to grab attention. And finally, hit publish. And your blog is ready. Now let's view it, and as you can see, the blog looks insanely good. Exactly what we needed. And that's it. You just created a money-making blog post with your own content, your affiliate links, and a traffic source all set up. Now copy this URL, come back to Pinterest, and paste it right here. Go to board, and select the board you already have. If you don't have a board, I recommend creating one because it helps your pin get more exposure. Next, I'm gonna add some tags related to keto. And finally, hit publish. Now here's the next step. Start posting these pins consistently on Pinterest. Over time, those pins will start getting clicks, bringing free traffic to your posts. And every time someone clicks your affiliate link and buys, you'll earn a commission completely on autopilot. Now, if you want to discover exactly how everyday people from all over the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day all the way up to $21,000 per day by leveraging AI and insanely cheap foreign traffic, then go click the first link in the description or head over to insider10x.com and download your free copy of the special report that breaks it all down. And once you download the report, you'll automatically be redirected to a page where you can register for a free ClickBank workshop. This is where the magic happens. Everything you need to know to start making real money online is revealed in that session. But here's the deal, this strategy is catching on fast. Before everyone and their grandma starts flooding the traffic sources and competition spikes, go grab your spot now. Click the first link in the description or visit insider10x.com to take advantage of this golden opportunity before it's gone. And make sure you watch the workshop all the way till the end, because once you learn this system, you'll never look at affiliate marketing the same way again.